Morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So students, today I am going to teach you social science history segment, and that is chapter number 2 in your NCERT book, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. I have already taught you this chapter. You are aware about this chapter and you have got the questions, and I am sure that you have solve the answers of the question. So only today it is a review of the chapter, and simultaneously you open your notebook. I am going to give you some questions and answers also. I am going to dictate you will write the answer. So first of all, let us just, for brushing up, that you know that Russian society, it was divided into three segments, and these three segments were the liberals, radicals and the conservatives, and three categories in the society. And often that difference of opinions used to take place, conflicts, series of conflicts used to take place amongst them, the conservative, the liberals and the radicals. And in between, a strong group emerged in the Russian society known as Bolshevik group, and the founder of Bolshevik group, he was Vladimir Lenin. And with the leadership of Vladimir Lenin, ultimately Russia became a socialist country. But initially this socialist group, they were not successful. So later on, this Bolshevik group, this Bolshevik party emerged as the only strongest party in Russia. So guys, today the copy already you have opened. You note down question number 1. Describe the view of radicals. Describe the views of radicals. You write point wise. Roman number 1. The radicals wanted to bring about immediate social change in Russia. The radicals wanted to bring about immediate social change in Russia. Actually, radicals, the opposite is moderate. In India, here also in Indian independence movement, two groups were there, radicals and moderates. The radicals, they were demanded that at once British, they have to leave our country at once. We want action immediately. No through proper channel, and it is a long process and slow process. Radicals, their opinion, but the moderates' opinion that through proper channel. So the same thing here, that the radicals wanted to bring about immediate social change in Russia. Roman number 2. They wanted to form a government based on the majority. They wanted to form a government based on the majority of country's population. Roman number 3. They were against private properties. They opposed private properties because they were the believers of socialism. In those who are the believers of socialism, they want the property, there should be no private property. The property, it will be divided equally amongst the population of the nation. So these are the 3 points, and this is the answer. And the next question, please guys, you write. Explain Karl Marx apostrophe S Marx's theory. Explain Karl Marx's theory of socialism. In my previous lecture, I told you Karl Marx's theory. He was a German philosopher, and he published 2 books, Das Kapital and Communist Manifesto. These 2 books created a revolution in Russia. And Marx's theory, it is known as communism. In my previous lecture, I already taught you. So, explain Karl Marx's theory of socialism. So, the answer is point-wise. Roman number 1. Workers had to overthrow capitalism. Workers, plural number, workers had to overthrow capitalism and the rule of private property. Any cost, they were not wanting to, they were not tolerating the people who enjoyed personal or private property. This was their one of the objectives. Second, our properties should be socially controlled. Third, freedom from capitalist exploitation. Capitalist, you know, that entire capital, entire wealth that is controlled by a handful of people, they are called capitalists. They are rich, wealthy people. Freedom from capitalist exploitation. And the last point, 4, a communist society was the natural society. Just now I told you regarding Karl Marx's theory, a communist society, communist, a communist society was the natural society. Let us come to question 3. What were the main objectives of liberals? Just now I told you, you have written about the radicals and here the liberals. What were the main objectives of liberals in Russia?